the bullish run that we've seen in gold in calendar year 2024. Goldman Sachs now says it no longer sees gold touching $3,000 per ounce by the end of this year, pushing the forecast to mid-2026 on expectations that the Federal Reserve will make fewer rate cuts in 2025. What is the rationale and what is Goldman Sachs' revised target price for 2025 as far as gold is concerned? My colleague Ria is now joining us to fill in with all the details. Ria, over to you.
Well, yes, so Goldman Sachs has said that they no longer see gold reaching $3,000 an ounce by the end of this year, pushing the forecast to the middle of 2026 on expectations that the Federal Reserve will make fewer interest rate cuts going ahead. The slower monetary policy in 2025 is set to crimp demand for the bullion-backed ETFs as well, and analysts project that prices will hit $2,910 an ounce by the end of this year. Weaker than expected ETF flows in December, driven by easing uncertainty after the US election, have also contributed to a lower starting point for pricing into the new year. Analysts have also said that the appetite of central banks will remain a key driver for prices in the longer term, and they forecast monthly purchases to average around 38 tons through the middle of 2026. Remember, gold has surged around 27% last year in a record-breaking run, which has been supported by monetary easing in the US, safe haven demand, and sustained buying by the world central banks as well. The rally has actually stalled in early November this year as Donald Trump's US election victory kept the dollar afloat, and gold has also been under pressure recently as Fed officials have emphasized the need to take a more cautious approach to reducing borrowing costs this year amid renewed concerns about inflation. And economists now expect a 75 basis point interest rate cut this year, down from a previous outlook of around 100 basis points.
That's the outlook as far as gold is concerned, and Goldman Sachs now expects gold to touch $2,600 per ounce by the end of 2026. So that's the word coming in as far as gold is concerned.